Hello financial enthusiasts. Today we embark on a journey through the insightful wisdom of one of the most successful investors of our time, Warren Buffett. As we unveil the lessons from his remarkable journey, you are in for a treat of knowledge that transcends financial markets. Let's start with the essence of Buffett's philosophy. Invest in yourself. Warren Buffett often emphasized the importance of continuous learning. He believes that investing in your education and skills is the best investment you can make. Buffett's second nugget of wisdom is about long-term investing. He famously said, "The stock market is a device for transferring money from impatient to the patient." Patience and a long-term perspective are key elements of successful investing. Moving on to quality over quantity. Warren Buffett is known for his principle of focusing on high-quality businesses. He suggests investing in companies with a durable competitive advantage rather than spreading investments too thin. Stay within your circle of competence is another gem from Buffett. He advises investors to understand their strengths and limitations and to stick to what they know. This helps in making informed and rational investment decisions. Buffett's sixth piece of advice revolves around cash reserves. He believes in keeping ample cash reserves to seize opportunities when the market presents them. Having cash on hand provides flexibility and a strategic advantage. Seventh on our journey is value investing. Buffett is a champion of value investing, where he looks for undervalued stocks with strong fundamentals. This approach has been a cornerstone of his success. Let's not forget the power of compound interest. Buffett once said, "My wealth has come from a combination of living in America, some lucky genes, and compound interest." Harnessing the power of compounding is a key ingredient in wealth building. Second to last, we have be fearful when others are greedy and greedy when others are fearful. This timeless advice from Buffett encourages contrarian thinking. When the market is overly optimistic, caution is warranted, and vice versa. Finally, the journey concludes with humility and simplicity. Despite his immense success, Buffett remains humble and embraces simplicity. He believes in straightforward and understandable investments. As we absorb the wisdom of Warren Buffett, it's crucial to understand that successful investing is not about complex strategies, but about timeless principles. If you found this insight valuable, hit the like button, share your favorite Buffett quote in the comments, and subscribe for more wisdom-infused journeys. Remember, the journey of financial wisdom never ends. Subscribe to our channel for regular insights, and don't forget to explore other videos in our library. Until our next exploration into the world of finance, keep learning and growing. This is Financial Whiteboard World.